Hello, friends. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade ice cream with this amazing ice cream maker. Watch as we whip up creamy, delicious flavors that you can try at home. From classic vanilla to exciting new twists, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sweet treats. So don't drag the video, watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. Thank you. So guys, let's start the video. Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make delicious frozen treats at home. With its powerful motor and unique Creamify technology, it transforms frozen bases into smooth, creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and more. The unit features 7 one-touch programs, including options for sorbet, milkshake, and smoothie bowls. It comes with a 1.5-quart bowl capacity, perfect for making multiple servings of your favorite frozen desserts. The machine's easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, and its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen. Whether you're craving indulgent ice cream or healthier alternatives, the Creamy delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. The innovative blade system ensures consistent texture and prevents icy crystals. The Creamy Ice Cream Maker is compatible with a variety of frozen bases, offering endless customization possibilities. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Enjoy homemade frozen treats in the comfort of your own home with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. EU Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine. The EU Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine is a sleek and efficient solution for producing fresh ice at home or on the go. With the ability to make up to 26 pounds of ice per day, it's perfect for parties, gatherings, or daily use. This compact machine produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, keeping your drinks cold and refreshing. Its intuitive control panel features a one-touch operation for hassle-free use. The transparent lid lets you monitor the ice-making process, while the removable basket and scoop simplify serving and storage. Energy efficient and quiet, it ensures minimal disruption in any setting. The machine offers 2 ice size options to suit your needs. Lightweight and portable, it fits seamlessly on countertops or in RVs. Easy to clean and maintain, it's designed for convenience and reliability. Enhance your ice-making experience with the EU Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine. Frigidaire EFIC 128 AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker. The Frigidaire EFIC 28 AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker is a convenient and stylish solution for instant ice at home or on the go. This powerful machine produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, making it perfect for parties, picnics, or daily use. It delivers a fresh batch of bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes, ensuring your drinks stay cold and refreshing. The compact, modern design fits seamlessly on any countertop, saving space without compromising functionality. Its easy-to-use control panel features indicator lights to alert you when the water is low or the ice basket is full. The transparent window allows you to monitor the ice-making process. With a removable basket and included scoop, serving ice is simple and mess-free. Quiet and energy-efficient, it operates smoothly in any setting. Enjoy the convenience of fresh ice anytime with the Frigidaire EFIC 128 AMZ BLK Ice Maker. EU Homey Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop. The EU Homey Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a stylish and efficient solution for creating soft, chewable pebble ice. Designed for modern kitchens, it produces up to 30 pounds of nugget ice per day, perfect for cocktails, sodas, and smoothies. The quick ice-making cycle delivers fresh ice in as little as 15 minutes, ensuring you're always ready for guests or daily use. Its compact design fits seamlessly on countertops, making it ideal for homes or RVs. The intuitive control panel simplifies operation, and the transparent lid lets you monitor ice production at a glance. Equipped with a self-cleaning function, maintenance is hassle-free and convenient. The removable ice basket and scoop make serving and storing ice effortless. Quiet and energy efficient, it operates smoothly without disrupting your space. Add a touch of luxury to your drinks with the EU Homey Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Large Ice Sphere Maker. The Samuel World Premium Ice Tray Combo is the ultimate solution for crafting large, long-lasting ice for your drinks. This set includes a sphere ice maker and giant cube trays, perfect for chilling whiskey, cocktails, and more with minimal dilution. Made from food-grade BPA-free silicone, these trays are safe, durable, and easy to use. The flexible material allows for effortless ice release without cracking. Each tray is designed for optimal water flow, ensuring crystal clear, professional quality ice every time. The set's compact design saves freezer space while accommodating multiple trays. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, they simplify maintenance. Ideal for entertaining, the elegant spheres and cubes add a sophisticated touch to any drink. Great for both everyday use and special occasions, this set makes an excellent gift. Elevate your beverage experience with the Samuel World Premium Ice Tray Combo.